Drink water. Stay hydrated. All right, what is up, guys? So I just got off work and I'm on my way home right now. But pretty much what I've got going on today is one of my buddies, he has a WRX, an STI, a hatch. I think it's an 09 or so, something like that. Anyway, besides the point, he is bringing his car over to my house because he has a misfire in one of his cylinders and it's really bad. It misfires at like idle and can't really drive the car. So I'm gonna head home. He's gonna show up to my place and we're gonna start working on the car, see what can be done to it, and I guess we'll just go from there. You got room. You can go a lot more. I normally don't film or work on Subarus, but my buddy just showed up. This is Nick. Hi. And pretty much where we're at with the car is it's misfiring on one of the cylinders, and we think it's cylinder 3. But we went and looked up the cylinder order for the Subaru. We had just pulled the one on the front here, and that's cylinder 1, and cylinder 3 is on this side. And pretty much we're pulling them out because we need to figure out which cylinder changes the idle of the car. So we're just gonna do that right now. So to get to the cylinder on the back here, cylinder 3, I'm gonna need to pull out the air box because that's the only way to get my hand on there, and the harness connector. At the bottom there is what I need to reach and unplug. That's out. Sweet.
Came out of. Now it's like you gotta unhook the clip at the bottom where the two halves seat together. That's fine.
So now that the airbox is off, you can see both of the, what are them, the coil packs?
Yeah, right.
That's cylinder, what, 1? I think?
Yeah.
And that's cylinder 3.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna unplug the wire, and then we're gonna put the airbox back in, and he's gonna try to start it. So to try and explain better about why I'm unplugging the coil pack, pretty much it's because if his car is misfiring and it says cylinder 3, and we unplug the cylinder 3 coil pack, the car should run exactly how it's running because it misfires at idle. For example, when we pulled the wrong one up here, the car basically couldn't run because it was only running on 2 cylinders. But anyway, now that it's back in the car, we're gonna fire it up and see how it runs. It should run just as bad as before, which I don't think I showed, but we'll know. It won't start at all? That's the one. So now you know it's your 3rd coil pack.
Yeah, this is how it ran before, yeah.
Okay, so pretty much, oh my hand's all dirty. So yeah, so pretty much we know it's the 3rd coil pack now because it runs the same as it did when it was plugged in.
Pull it apart and see what the fuck happened.
I think it's just dead. They die when they get old.
Yeah, like I don't really know if this was ever changed. The car's got this is probably one of the highest KMs STIs I've ever had. It's at 191,000. So who knows if it was?
So you know,
yeah, who really knows?
I mean,
and I have no other.
Even if we do them now, it shouldn't be hard to find a coil pack for this car. It's a Subaru, a new one. What is it? 09.
09 with a 13 engine.
Yeah, like he can go to the dealership pretty much and probably find one. So if it comes down to it, that's what.
I got a plug guy.
Yeah, plug. The coil pack plug.
The plug guy.
All right, so let's just put it back together. Also, random update, while Nick is on the phone. I got some more parts for the EK, so I'll show you guys. If you can't already see, that's a brand new hood. Not brand new, I got it from the scrapyard. Like all my parts that I'm about to show you. Yeah, so I got that new hood, and that's gonna be nice because my other is rotted out. I got the fuel pump, the fuel filter bracket, because mine is rusty and looks bad, so I got this. It's nice, fresh, and black. And I also got the clamp for the fuel filter housing. I don't know. And my favorite pieces, because I was missing these. These are for the back hatch on the EK, the edges. I got both sides of them because I got the middle piece on the back, like the bottom, but I didn't know I needed the sides. So I went and found an EK and I got those. Also, Yeah.
Tip number one: don't do this with a hot engine.
Oh, it's hot?
Still, well, my hand is like right up against the side of the block.
So the other reason I haven't made a video on the Civic is because I haven't found a wiring harness yet. I went to the scrapyard and I was gonna cut off the alternator plug and rewire it to my current harness as well as the distributor, and then find an OBD1 to OBD2B, sorry, OBD2A to OBD2B jumper harness so I can run the P75 that I got from my friend's Integra. We got this coil back out.
Everything looks fine. The spring seems to be.
Is it cracked at the base? Yeah, it looks pretty bad. Look at that.
Where?
I don't know, it's like splitting. I don't know if that's normal.
Are you talking like right here?
Yeah, it's definitely not normal.
One more. Last time I
Look at it.
It's been like
It's
three.
like
It's
burnt.
been like 4 years since I pulled out a coil
If
pack.
any of you guys know Subarus, let me know if this looks bad or fine for how old it is. Like at least 120,000 kilometers.
Nah, potentially almost 200.
Oh. True, okay, so there you go. And also completely random, I'm in a different garage. This is my school garage. This is the house I live at when I'm at school. So this is that garage. I have worked on a couple cars here. For example, my buddy's 8th gen Civic, the red one that you saw do appeal in the last video. We did his exhaust. He got a 3-inch K-tune catback, and we put that on here. Now I'm working on the Subaru, and who knows, any other of my buddies that, you know, show up to the garage and whatnot, or just come over with their cars, and we're doing car stuff, I'll probably make videos of it. Since we got the other coil pack out, we're just gonna try and follow the misfire actually, because if we're gonna diagnose it, we might as well try and actually diagnose it. So pretty much, he's gonna take out the other coil pack from the cylinder in front of it, and we're gonna take the one that we think is bad and replace the other one. And if the car, what are we hoping to happen? Oh, we're gonna
Suck,
rescan
squeeze,
it.
bang, blow.
we're gonna rescan it, and if it says not cylinder 3, if it says like any other cylinder but
moved.
3, we know.
Well, it should move to 1. It should technically.
Well, I don't know what number that is.
That's number 1. So it'll go. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4.
What? How does it go?
1, 2, 3, 4. Found that out because we pulled 2 by accident.
Yeah.
So. Don't buy a Subaru, kids. Put the tip in.
Yeah.
Just the tip. If I could get just the tip in. I honestly don't know how. These are the same, like orientation and everything, right? Like, how is this such an issue?
We're trying to get it back in, but we struggling.
At least.
You got both of them in?
Yeah. I don't know if this really matters, but.
Yeah, it matters. Is the mouth plugged in?
Yep.
All right, let's start it.
Hopefully, this doesn't go kaboom. All right, so let me. So now.
Maybe clear the coats. Here, let me get it.
I can't clear them on this.
You got socks on your chair. Nice.
It hasn't popped a code. Like the codes are gone.
Why is it running like a
Normal.
It's normal, like it's not misfiring anymore?
I don't know. Here,
we fixed it.
let me bring it down to low idle. Oh no, it's still running bad. Oh.
Oh yeah, it's misfiring. The car is shaking.
Look at everything jiggling. All right, I just gotta wait till the code pops up now.
Did you clear it?
No, look.
Reading codes.
So
Oh,
once it'll
you
pop
want to go
up.
for a drive, maybe?
No, you'll hear like a boop boop, and then
Okay.
it's probably because it's cold. Still no code. I guess.
The check engine light hasn't came back on yet, so we're just waiting for that to see what the new code says and see if the misfire moved. Sorry, what?
I really don't want to have to put this on. This is the worst thing in the world to put on.
Yeah, it's hard to take off.
Alright. Do we have like tape or something? I can just like. That's when I wish I had like a cold air.
Just a temporary fix for a little test drive because they decided that this was too much of a pain to put back on.
So on the access port, you can access a whole bunch of.
Oh, the light's in the way. Okay, what?
So you can see everything from like live data, fuel economy, can alter like it literally just did like. I could literally see like live boost. Yeah, literally it just doesn't. And basically anything that goes through the ECU, you can pull up on here.
So what are we gonna look at?
I'm going to look at, not knock, but roughness in cylinder 1. Because that would be that's the cylinder that it's the coil pack that we think is faulty is in. This is the cylinder that it came out of. That's saying that cylinder is running fine. Oh, God damn it.
No way. So we didn't even make it out of the driveway, but the engine light came. Is that it up there? Yeah, the engine light came back on, and we're gonna find out what it says right now.
Yep. There we go. So it switched.
So pretty much. Now you just know it's a back coil back. With the S4, yeah, guys come.
Yeah,
right across the street. Nice.
Oh. Alright, here, so you want to watch my check engine light?
Yeah, it's gonna flash?
It'll start flashing.
No, if it's gonna flash, don't do a pull.
No, I'm not doing a pull. There we go. This is for educational purposes. It's for the kids. Put that other one. PFFFE.
Yeah, it's because you need an actual scanner. The access port can't do enough.
It does enough. It does what I need to do.
I think that's it. We went for a drive. We know exactly what it is. Normally, when people leave this house, they just have to do a pull. You can't leave the house without doing a pull.
I refuse.
But no, we're just gonna let it go by this time because your car's broken, so you can't do a pull. But anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. So hope you enjoyed it,
Don't buy a Subaru.
and I'll see you guys next time.